Harish is a person who works with me and he has speed in execution. He had clear thought. He has made a real success in past sometimes. He has real relationship, and when he executes very fast, immediate. He gets results. He does the things right. First thing, the message of which I want to give to management is by spending time with Harish, because the person they see with me, they assume that I'm the same kind of person. So I'm going to spend time with Abhijita and Harish and drive my success. Second thing, they should see that I'm working. They should get some results. Harish, anything he learns and he has to execute, he does it right away. He doesn't hesitate, because he has that, I have that fear of choosing the right words, which I have to take off. Second thing is he makes real relation. He develops a real relationship. He does the true work. In the past, when he has interacted with people, he has done work the same way that I'm seeing. I'm getting impressed by the work he is doing. Some person has got convinced out of that, and the relation is so good that he's putting his own money. So when I'm with somebody and with Karthik and somebody else, I realize I have to make a real relationship with people, so that when I need some kind of help, and this will be needed any time in life. It will be needed, and it is the people who are higher in hierarchy than you are the people who are going to help you. Will be able to help you. If they like you, they will help you. If they don't like you, they will not. They are going to judge you. They are going to be expecting from you, and you have to ensure you do the things rightly with them. You have to make the real relationship. They should not feel like he's there with me for some benefit. It should be a real bond. A real bond is the key. So I'll ensure that I work on myself developing now, on building the real bond also, because when I'm going to interact somebody in the road for the pause, or somebody on the personal observation, and when I have to make the real bond, I have to ask the right question. I have to touch his heart. I have to melt him within that few minutes. Isn't that like an elevator speech? It is, and that's what I always wanted to do. So I'm going to work on it. I'm going to do it. So starting today.